So there is a good news, the iPhone 16 launch may happen sooner than the previous models. According to rumor, the launch date is set for September 10th with no delays. It is believed that pre-orders will begin shortly after and the device will be available in stores around September 21st. The source also stated that the iPhone 16 will not come with the Apple Intelligence pre-installed because it is reserved for the iOS 18.1. This update will be available to the iPhone 15 and 16 users as an incremental update in October. And I just found out some new images and videos of the iPhone 16 mockup and it's looking awesome. The matte finish gives it a sleek look, plus those dual camera reminds me of the iPhone 12 but the island is on a larger scale. And check out the flash sitting outside the camera module. Unfortunately, the 60Hz refresh rate on the iPhone 16 is quite disappointing. Now, I'm not saying you should skip out on getting the iPhone 16 or Plus because of this, but having 120Hz would truly enhance the user experience on an $800 device. Users of the iPhone 16 will definitely miss out on that amazing 120Hz experience. On the flip side, the 16 Pro Max comes packed with a top-notch features including a 120Hz ProMotion display and triple camera with a periscope shooter. There are also rumors of two new color options, Desert Titanium and Grey Titanium. If the Desert Titanium is anything like what's being hinted at, it's going to be a thrilling choice. Despite the camera module looking small on the 6.9 inches device, it's actually the same size as the one on the 15 Pro Max. As we all know, this side now has volume keys and an action button that can trigger various functions such as turning on the flashlight or translating. And the best part, you can customize the action button in the settings. Below the power key, there is a new capture button that is touch sensitive. I think it will allow you to snap instant photos and videos, and you can even swipe or slide to switch between them. So basically, Apple is serving up a variety of dishes on the same plate. We were hoping for some fresh design changes, but hey, this is Apple we are dealing with. But who knows, they might just surprise us at the last minute. So what are your thoughts on this new iPhone 16? Feel free to drop your comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.